It is a pleasure to welcome our financial expert Mr. Ramalingam today. Sir, what is your view on investing in cryptocurrencies?
I want to know about cryptocurrency as an investment. Can I invest in crypto? That is an important question. Bitcoin comes with a very safe blockchain technology, so unique number will be identified for your coins. Then, cryptocurrency's unique selling point is government is printing more money, because of that money value is going down day after day. But crypto, there will not be such like a government intervention. So regardless of government printing money or not printing money, this cryptocurrencies will strengthen and give you good returns. Cryptocurrency is considered as a digital gold. And they also claim that crypto is going to be the future of money. Is all that true? To be frank, the honest answer what I want to give you is I don't know. Crypto can become future of money, possible. But crypto can be a loser, that is also possible at this point in time, because it is not regulated so far. I will tell you my understanding about crypto at this point in time. Bitcoin was very famous, very popular, and there were many competitors now. There are many alternative coins which are growing at a much higher speed than Bitcoin. Close to 4,000 plus alternative coins are there. And gateway banks are not supporting it. There is no gateway banks. And there is this unlimited supply. Already I told you, like 4,000 plus coins, and anyone can start a cryptocurrency. Even I can start a cryptocurrency. You can start a cryptocurrency. So when we all start a cryptocurrency, so what is going to be? The supply is going to be unlimited. Because of unlimited supply, demand will be less and price will not go up when there is unlimited supply. That is a major challenge here. And cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. If it is a currency, it can go up by 3%, 5%, 10% in a year. Yes, agreed. But will the currency go up by 30%? Will it fall by 50%? Then can we consider that as a currency? Currency needs to be stable. Right? People want to store their asset value, wealth, in a currency which is stable, which is not highly, extremely volatile. Have you ever seen dollar or rupee going up or going down by 30% or going up by 50% in a year or in a month? Which is practically not possible. However, it is possible as far as these things are considered. Cryptocurrency is considered. And for any investment, anything to be considered as an investment, there needs to be an underlying asset to it. Right? If it is a stock, there is a business which is underlying. Correct? So if it is a real estate, there is a physical property. It is the underlying asset. If it is a currency, say let's say US dollar or Indian rupee, there is an economy based on which currency price will go up and down. For crypto, what is the underlying asset? On what basis crypto is going to go up and down? As there is no underlying asset, there is a lot of speculation, gambling happening around Bitcoin at this point. Remember, crypto is not a regulated investment. It's not regulated. In many countries, it is not legal. Remember, I told you, right, in the previous slide, government is printing money. That is why, like, to control that, because to control the value erosion, because of that, crypto is launched. Now, just imagine which government will support crypto. Because the purpose of crypto is to weaken the government's power. Because government is able to bring more money and manage economy. But though crypto claims that way, but for printing money, there are well set regulations. Okay? And a government cannot just like the go and print money. If they are printing that way, then their economy will have a serious problem. Right? Inflation will shoot up and they'll have huge problem that way. So government will not just like that print money, they will take all other measures. If it is not working, then only they will go for printing money. So crypto claims that they want to fight against the government which are printing money. So government is not going to support Bitcoin or crypto. So will crypto survive in the long run? That is the question. And as crypto doesn't have any underlying asset, can we consider that as an investment? Can we consider it as an actual currency? No. It is a speculative instrument or it is a gambling instrument. Yes, that way it is possible to do it. Also, I told you like you and me can launch a crypto, there is no regulation as such. And there is no asset correlation data. See, when you are investing in equity and gold, there is an asset correlation data. Equity and debt, there is an asset correlation data. But in cryptocurrency, there is no such data available. So will it work? Major question. And blockchain technology seems to be very safe and currency there seems to be fake currency and bogus currency, fake notes, all right, which is not there with Bitcoin. That is what crypto claims. But just a couple of months back, we would have seen this Poly network which was issuing crypto close to 600 million US dollars. Someone hacked, and they couldn't go to government and launch a complaint. They have to make an open request to the hacker saying, okay, please give back all our coins because it is invested by common public. So it is not safe as such. Though they claim that fake currency is not there with Bitcoin, there is a too short system, but it is not that way. So Bitcoin, in my opinion, should go a long way. If it has got acceptance at some level, it is not regulated. This is where the challenge comes into picture. People talk a lot about Bitcoin. People talk a lot about crypto. Out of 10 people, definitely 7 people know about Bitcoin and crypto that is making news. But do they know it completely? Did someone spend enough time to understand this? What is the logic behind Bitcoin? Why Bitcoin is popular? Will Bitcoin work in the long run? Will Bitcoin be there after 20 years? These are all commonsensical, logical questions we have to ask before investing in it. But we forget the basics and get carried away by the momentum, carried away by the hype created. So just to rewire, understand, first filter is not regulated. So why? It is not passing the first filter itself. So we should be focused on that at this point in time. We can completely avoid that.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.